Hey guys, quick video. I wanted to just tell you that PGYTECH are having their Black Friday sale. Now, I've been a big time supporter of PGYTECH. They make some fantastic gear that's good quality and it lasts. There's a lot of really poor technology equipment out there, accessories, but this is one of the better brands by far. So if you like me and you like technology, you build up quite a vast amount really fast, and then you're going to be needing something to carry it around. So I like all technology and I also like drones, as you know. So this video I'm going to be talking about the two carry cases here for the Air 2S, the Mini 2, and also the brilliant bag which is called the OneGo bag. Now before we move on to the actual cases and the bag, we also do loads of accessories for your drones as well. So whether it's the DJI Mini 2, the DJI Air 2S, the Air, the Mavic Mini, or coming soon the Mavic 3 as well, which I cannot wait for. But they also do ND filters. Now I use ND filters on every single flight that I do, and I cannot wait to get some for the Mavic 3 as well. Also they do accessories like this, some landing legs if you're in an area where it's really tall grass or not a very nice surface, or in a forest and it's mud, having some landing legs, and these are for the Mavic Air 2 and the Air 2S. They also do them for the Mini as well. These just go onto the drone, onto the bottom, and it allows you that extra bit of room when landing your drone. Now let's move on to the actual carry cases themselves. So the cases are super well made, really strong, waterproof, have the logo on the front of them, and it just allows you to just get your drone, put it in here and have it completely safe. You can also use this top here as like a landing and also takeoff base as well. Let's just look inside of it. So on the back here it's fully secure, so you lift these two mounts up, lift the top bit up, and then you can then open this bit up here. And now I don't have the Air 2S anymore, as you all guys know, so I did have it here. You can fit your controller, you can fit some ND filters, extra batteries. It's got loads of different protection on here as well, so your drone's going to be completely fine. And they also do a version for the Mini 2 as well, so this allows you to have this really small drone, but it is fragile, isn't it? So having it in a small case like this, and just put it into the boot of your car, take it around with you, and then you've got it in a hard case like this, again with the full protection on it. You can put extra batteries in it, ND filters, your controller and the drone, and you're all ready to go in that waterproof case. So these are fantastic for protecting your drone. But what about if you're going away for a couple of days, or you want to take multiple equipment? So this is when this bag really comes in handy. So I'm going to show you how I can fit all my recording equipment in that I need to be able to create a YouTube video into just this one bag alone. So this is the OneGo bag by PGYTECH, and I absolutely love it. So this is a really nice, smart design. So you could use this for either your tech bag, which I do, or you could use it if you're just commuting to work and you want a really nice, stylish bag. It comes in variety of colours. This is the black colour. I'll go through just some of the features now and then show you how I can fit all this equipment into just this one bag. So the top of it's got this magnetic design clip, so it's really nice how it just clips down. You just pull this lever here and it disconnects. Now the best thing about this bag is the multiple ways of how you can just store so much equipment easily as well. So on the back of it, you've got the two straps here. These are super comfortable and padded, really nice. You've got a back support here, and they've got all these different straps which we'll go over. We'll just start here while we're at it. So on the back here, you've got a area where you can store your laptop. This will hold a 16-inch laptop and a tablet as well. It has this nice little pull cord here. So as this pulls out, you can store an Apple Pencil. So we'll just do this as we go along. So you can put the Apple Pencil in here, you can store your laptop in here, and then also you put your tablet as well. If you do have an iPad will also go in here, and both will fit comfortably in this pocket. That just then slides down like that. You can zip this over, and then you've got both of those nice and secure in here. And then it also means that you've got absolutely tons of room left in the actual backpack. So it's got side pockets as well with these straps, so you can store different tripods on here, and it's got pull tabs so you can secure everything in here. The side straps come open, and this is a quick access port into the actual bag. On this side here, you've also got another zip compartment. In here you can store memory cards, SD cards, maybe your wallet. It's really easy to get into, so you don't have to open the main bag. You can simply just get into it, and everything is just nice and waterproof and well made. Also another bit here, so you can put maybe a water bottle in there. Loads of different scenarios. Let's just flip it over. So the other side mirrors it as well, so a really nice waterproof material. Again, you can put something in this side pocket. This pocket comes completely open, and then you've got another side access. Now on here as well, you can put maybe a pen or something in here, and then this you can store some batteries, and then it's got this magnet on the back as well, so you could actually use this. So if you're putting a drone battery in, which we'll just put this one in, you could then, if this one is fully charged and some of them aren't, you can indicate it, right, this is charged or this one isn't. And then if you've got multiple ones, you know, so we can store batteries in here. You can zip that shut, and then you've got an area for your batteries, again with easy access in this bit. Brilliant. Now this bag, the straps are super padded and comfortable, but it's going to be heavy with the amount of equipment you're going to be carrying. So it has got a chest strap as well, so you can customize this. You want it high up or low, you can just thread this in and pull this tight, and that just goes along your chest. It's also got a waist strap as well, so you can have this tied around your waist, pull that, and then you've got a chest and waist strap, so it's really secure on you, and it doesn't have a lot of tension then on your back, which is brilliant. When you lift this up here, you can see you got access into the main compartment. Now this is fully customizable, so as we just unzip this, I'll just show you what I mean. But when you open the bag up like this, you have lots of different ways of how you can customize this to how you want the bag to be set up. I've just got these 2 trays here, so I can store 3 different areas of equipment, but you can have different ones. There's all these that come with it. They're all customizable heights as well, so you can have it set up however you wish. You could have stuff going across, you could have it in little squares with accessories. I like to have it like this, so when I do open the side compartments, I've got quick, easy access to the equipment. But you get all these in the bag, as well as more straps as well. So typically when I go out on a shoot, I don't take a big camera. I take my iPhone and I take a couple of drones. I'm going to take the Mavic 3 and the Mini 2, 2 controllers because I haven't got the smart controller yet. Always take a gimbal now because I do like since the firmware, the gimbal's got a lot better on the OM5. Always take another form of an action camera, some earphones, and then sunglasses obviously, and then ND filters. So let's just show you how you can get all this in this actual bag. So everything's now in this bag, which is super impressive. I'm able to then take all the equipment with me that I could possibly need to record and edit one of these videos. So my laptop, iPad, Apple Pencil, 2 drones, extra batteries, ND filters, a gimbal, microphone, a voiceover microphone, earphones, sunglasses, excellent, all in this really stylish, sleek bag, which is waterproof. Allows me then to just take it wherever I want, and I've got everything with me. So Black Friday sale is currently live. They do sell out really quick, these bags. Basically any of the PGYTECH equipment, they don't have a sale like this. So I'll link in the description below if you want to go and check it out. This is also fantastic, the carry case for those single shot locations. But yeah, if you're into videography, photography, and you need some sort of equipment, accessories, or travel cases like this, go and check it out. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.